Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of special effects with the Graftobian Special FX Trauma Pro SFX Makeup Kit, the ultimate tool for both professional makeup artists and cosplay enthusiasts alike. This all-in-one kit is packed with over $280 worth of professional-grade special effects makeup and tools, allowing you to create jaw-dropping effects and realistic trauma simulations with ease. Whether you're gearing up for a Halloween party, a cosplay event, or a film project, this extraordinary kit has everything you need to bring your creative visions to life, from wounds and blood to bruises and beyond. Included in the kit are essentials like modeling wax, stage blood gel, and a variety of liquid latex colors, along with FX brushes, sponges, and even a training DVD or digital video link to guide you through the process. Graftobian ensures quality and value by providing full-sized products made in the USA, using gentle and effective ingredients that are fragrance-free and never tested on animals. With this kit, you'll have all the tools necessary to elevate your artistry, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out in the world of special effects makeup. So, get ready to unleash your creativity and transform your look with the Graftobian Special FX Trauma Pro SFX Makeup Kit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.